Picture this. We're about to swap out this leaky kitchen faucet for a shiny new gooseneck pull-down faucet with a soap dispenser. And here comes our trusty sidekick, the new M18 bandsaw. This bad boy makes my work so easy, I'm tempted to cut everything with it. It's a thing of beauty. But hey, enough about my tool obsessions, back to the faucet. Remember folks, before you cut that old faucet out, you can either shut off the water for a safe removal or leave it on for a little spontaneous indoor water park action. After all, life's short, right? Once the old faucet's out, give the area a good cleanup and get ready to install the new one. I'm a big fan of Moen faucets, not just because they're awesome, but also because of the warranty. Install it right, and you're golden. Now, it's time to install the new faucet and soap dispenser. And hey, don't forget to check for leaks before you call it a day. Nobody wants an impromptu indoor swimming pool. And there you have it, folks. A simple swap that can make a big difference in your kitchen. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Did you know that the average kitchen faucet is used over 40 times a day? Crazy, right? So remember to subscribe and join our plumbing party.